Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Tesla Model S key fob. First, gather your materials. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is commonly available. Also, grab a small, flat-bladed tool or a plastic pry tool. These items will help you safely open the key fob without causing any damage. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small seam running along the side of the fob. Carefully insert your flat-bladed tool or plastic pry tool into this seam. Apply gentle pressure and twist slightly to separate the two halves. You should hear a small click as the casing begins to open. Take your time to avoid scratching the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, notice which way the positive side is facing. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should fit snugly into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely closed. Now, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your Tesla, to ensure the new battery is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.